Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on any unsupported PC. If your PC does not support Windows 11 like mine's, my laptop also does not support Windows 11. I will show you. Let's see. First I will double click on Windows ISO. On double clicking, a separate drive will be made for the setup, and then I will double click on the setup. On running the setup, Windows installer start preparing Windows installation. At first it start preparing the setup and then it shows install Windows 11. I simply click on next and move forward. Now I have to wait around a minute and let the installer check whether my laptop is compatible for Windows 11 or not. After waiting around a minute, a Windows open which tells that this PC does not support Windows 11. Why? Because the processor is not supported and the PC does not meet TPM 2.0. Okay, and because of these errors I can't install Windows 11 on my PC. Now how to remove this error and easily install Windows 11? Just I will simply close this installer and after that I will go back to my Windows 11 ISO, and on Windows 11 ISO I will right click on it and extract it. I am using WinRAR software to extract Windows files. You can use different softwares whichever available and extract the Windows ISO file. Since the ISO is about 5.1 GB, so it will take time for extracting. On successful extraction of the Windows ISO, now I will open the extracted folder. On opening the extracted folder, the same files comes as when I clicked on Windows ISO before. Now the main trick comes to the game. Now you have to go to the sources folder, that is in the number third folder. You have to open it and search for appraisers.dll file. Okay, you have to search for this file and delete it completely from the sources folder, and it's done. Now you have to come back and now you have to run the setup as administrator, and when you run the setup the magic will start. Okay, now you will see that the errors that were coming during the installation before deleting the appraisers file will now be removed, and I can smoothly install Windows 11 on my PC, which was not supporting Windows 11 before. Windows installer is getting things ready to install Windows 11, and you can see that the errors have been removed and now the license window open. Simply accept the license and move forward. I won't be installing Windows 11 because I don't need it, so I will not move further. If you want to know about the process of full installation, you can watch my previous video where I installed Windows 10. You can watch that video and install Windows 11 with the similar process. Hope this trick works for you, and thank you for watching the video.